Green bean casserole. I used to hate that thing, but I've really actually started to like it. And maybe it's because I'm using different ingredients. You can get these at different places. I just happened to be, obviously, at Whole Foods today. So we get the French tall green beans. My son-in-law really would prefer that I buy fresh, but sometimes I can't find that. So this is his second choice. We do get the crispy onion things. Now let me show you the ingredients. The number one thing I'm looking for here is fat. I will not eat it if it has bad fat in it. Oh, organic onions. That's a treat. That's good. Palm oil is acceptable. Buckwheat flour is acceptable. And grains ideally should be organic, and this one is. So, hooray, that's a really good one. Then I know this is chicken. It should be mushroom, but they were out of mushroom. Find the ingredients here. There we go. Okay, so I've got, what is that asterisk? Organic, very good. Chicken stock, cornstarch, chicken, cream, rice flour, chicken fat. I would love for that chicken to have been pastured, but that's not going to happen, and I'm not going to make my own cream of mushroom. Actually, wait a minute. This is chicken soup. We're going to use mushroom, not chicken. So, see, the mushroom soup is going to be even better than this. The mushroom soup probably still has chicken stock. And let's look. It is organic. It's gluten-free. So, that is our green bean casserole. We have a great recipe book that includes all of your favorite recipes. And if you'll make a comment, just any word, say yes or recipes, say whatever you want down below, and we will send you a private message with the link for our special recipe book where really all we did is substitute ingredients. So you can feast with all the pleasure and none of the guilt.